Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to collaborate on Instagram. So let's get into it. First of all, open Instagram. Click the plus sign to create a new feed or reel post. Create a feed post or reel, then tap next. Once the editing is done, tap tag people. Tap on invite collaborator. Search for the collaborator's account and add them. When you are done, go ahead and share your post. The collaborators you've invited will receive an invite notification to accept the invite and share the collaboration post on their own page. Wait for them to accept. Once they do, the post will be shared with their followers and they'll be listed as co-author. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.